Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Jenny Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about the very popular and well-known product by Estee Lauder, and that is their Advanced Night Repair Multi-Recovery Synchronized Complex Serum. So it's a very long name. And this product is one of those where either people like it very much or they don't like it at all. The people that like them generally find that it calms the skin just looks so much healthier. And those who don't like them are basically saying for what they pay for it, they're not getting any treatment for their wrinkles and fine lines or their dark spots, etc. And I will tell you the reason why. So literally, I got a mini version of the real product, which is 30 mils, and this is 7 mils. So this is about a fifth of the product, which is very generous. As you can see, it's a soft pinkish serum. It's gel-like serum. It's beautiful texture. Rubs in very easily. So texture-wise, this is a beautiful serum. Soft gel-like, and your skin just absorbs it. It's got a calming and a cooling effect when you first apply it onto your skin. And this is a beautiful product. But, there is a but. I will tell you now that if you're looking to treat aging skin, for example, sunspots, age spots, dark spots, or sun-damaged skin, wrinkles and fine lines or deep wrinkles, this product will not do it. Because this product does not contain retinol or vitamin C or a whole lot of peptides that would actually fix wrinkles and fine lines, treat dark spots and age spots, and generate collagen production. This product will not do it. But if you have very sensitive skin, your skin gets red very easily, your skin is overreactive, easily sensitized by strong ingredients, and you just want a serum that will just calm your skin, a serum that will cool your skin down, a serum that will give you generally healthy skin, this is the product to go for. And that's why you get these two groups of people. One group that are looking for a serum that will calm the skin, and of course this product will calm the skin. Another group of people who are looking to fix their heavy wrinkles and fine lines or dark spots, age spots, sunspots, and this product will not do it. And the reason is in the ingredients, as usual. So the main ingredients right at the top of the list of this product is the Bifida ferment lysate and the lactobacillus ferment. So every time you see Bifida ferment lysate or lactobacillus ferment, they are basically good bacteria that has been put into skincare to help fight away the bad bacteria on your skin. So that's why this product is so good for those people with sensitive skin and even for people with acne. Because some people who are suffering from acne, part of it is caused by bad bacteria. So this product will generate healthy skin. So your skin will look healthy, especially if you've got skin that are overreactive. So Bifida ferment lysate is basically a probiotic. So by putting probiotic onto your skin, you're strengthening the microbiome on your skin. So keeping your skin at a nice, balanced, healthy bacteria level on your skin. And then it has sodium hyaluronic acid. It's got one peptide, the tripeptide 32. It has the lactobacillus ferments that, again, using a good bacteria, mainly the lactobacillus bacteria. It also has a red coloring and a yellow coloring. I don't know why. It could be why you get that slightly pinkish color on the product. So I don't know why they added the coloring. So the Bifida ferment lysate and the lactobacillus ferment is the main ingredient in this product. It comes in different sizes. The 20 mils, which is not a lot, is $119. 30 mils is $155. It also comes in a 50 ml, which is $210. This product is not cheap. I have used this product. It's wonderful for calming your skin. So when my skin is quite red, itchy, a highly sensitized period, this product is brilliant. But when it comes to treating aging skin, mature skin, comes through getting rid of fine lines and wrinkle and all the pigmented spots on my skin, this product will not do it. There are other brands out there that produce similar products and at a much cheaper price. So yeah, I consider this product quite overpriced for what it does. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!